Hello everybody, I just wanted to do a quick video on looking at parabolas because sometimes some really strange things happen with parabolas, but when we look at them in the right context, they make a lot of sense. So let's just throw in a really strange one like y equals 0.004 x squared um, plus 10x, I don't know, plus 2. Okay, so this looks like a line, doesn't it, when it shows up right here. But what you have to do is really zoom out far and maybe even bump this scale down. So I have to hold down the shift key and change my scale a lot. Okay, zooming out some more. Okay, now you see that that line that we saw in there turns into a parabola, and you can see the vertex here now is way down here. Um, so and the y-intercept was at 2, which is kind of dwarfed by the scale of this thing. See, the 2 is such a small number when you look at the big grand scheme of things that it's not really a significant digit. So just be aware of that all parabolas essentially look the same, but you just have to look at the scale, and are you at a scale that makes sense for this parabola. And I had a really strange starting coefficient of 0.004, and that's what happened. Now you could do the same, you could look at another one. Let's just get rid of this one. And what if my parabola would fit like this? Y equals, I don't know, like 1000 x squared um, plus 32x minus 60. Okay, so this one looks a little crazy, right? It looks like a vertical line. But when I zoom in really close, now you can see that, yeah, it is indeed a parabola. It just has an odd scale to it. So this has a vertex, and looks like its vertex is somewhat in the negative region a little bit. Okay, so that's what you can do is zoom around. You can use this button right here, zoom in, zoom out, and if you have a mouse with a scroll wheel on it, that's how you go in and out. If you want to move the graphics view, you can use this button and go like that. But if you have a scroll wheel, you can press the scroll wheel in and then drag just like that. Okay.